Zucchini bread recipe moist. This is the best zucchini bread recipe ever. It's got more zucchini and more sugar than most recipes, so it tastes amazing. And applesauce makes this homemade zucchini bread super moist. Ingredients: A. 1½ cups grated zucchini, lightly packed, do not drain liquid. B. 1 cup granulated sugar. C. ¼ cup packed light brown sugar. D. ½ cup unsweetened applesauce. E. 1/3 cup vegetable oil, or your preferred cooking oil. F. 2 large eggs. G. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. H. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. I. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. J. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. K. 1/2 teaspoon salt. L. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan with cooking spray. 2. In a large bowl, add the grated zucchini, sugar, brown sugar, applesauce, oil, eggs, and vanilla. Whisk until well combined. 3. Add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Stir just until no dry flour remains, trying not to overmix. 4. Pour the batter into the loaf pan. Bake for 50 to 54 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center of the bread should come out with moist crumbs on it. 5. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Remove from the pan and transfer to a wire cooling rack to cool completely before slicing. 6. Store covered in the refrigerator. This bread is best served after it has been refrigerated for at least 12 hours. How to grate zucchini for zucchini bread. 1. Do not peel the zucchini before grating. Leave the skin on. 2. Do not salt, drain out, or squeeze out any of the liquid from the zucchini. 3. Use the large grate of a box grater to grate 2 small, or 1 large, zucchini for 1½ cups lightly packed grated zucchini. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.